The gearing on this bike is so much different than the 250L. That was second gear. Just so much different on this bike. He's working on his enduro skills. I'm working on my lazy man skills today. He's probably thinking, I told him I was feeling a little lazy today. He's still gonna ride. Still gonna ride hard. Just not as hard. I wonder if that gets used. So, when you're not in the deep mud, I said it to T a little bit, that when you're not in the deep mud, K270 does great. When you're in mud like that, and you stick in it, it just fills up, and it doesn't want to clean. And that's just how the K270 is. Her front end is so light on this bike, I need to get used to it because it's super, super light. Super, super light. It's a little slick today, man. See, the front end is so light on this bike. The slightest things pull me around. Jeez. Guys have any issues with your Hero 8 Black? Like overheating? I guess it's overheating because it gets to the point to where it either freeze frames or it goes into a really weird color. So I think it's got to be overheating. It was pretty slick, brother. My Hero 8 Black, man, is it's giving me problems with, I guess it's overheating. Ooh, this is not the best suspension for that. Did fine though, didn't bottom out at all. But yeah, so where's he going? So where are you going? I got you. But my Hero 8, I think, is overheating. I think it's overheating because it changes colors and I don't know which way he went there, but we'll go this way and try to keep you guys posted on it. I guess I'll be having to get a Hero 9 Black. We'll see though. This is an awesome little bike though. I do enjoy it. It is an awesome little bike. Hopefully it's not going off again like it was earlier. Let's catch a little air on this. Went sideways, but still got it. Like, definitely went sideways. Definitely not as good as the 250L. Jumping. Smooth. It's very smooth. But it's not as stiff. It's not as controllable. You know? It's not the greatest feelings in the world. This tire, man, is horrendous. I hope I don't get stuck here. This tire, dude, is bad. This tire is nothing but somebody chewed it up pretty good. So you know what it's like coming from a good tire now. That D Sport rear, going back to a tire like this. This bike is just not, or this tire is just not designed for this at all. Awfully lazy today, guys. Awfully lazy today. Hopefully I get it on this thing. Yeah, it's nothing. We'll hit it in the opposite direction. I didn't really show you guys what the hill looked like. You'll see it when we come down it here, what it looks like. It's pretty straight up and down. It's pretty gnarly, but it's really not bad. You just got to try not to go towards the trees. It's full of traction though. And that's with the DR200. DR200. So if anybody is wondering, the DR200 can do it. Yeah, man. It sure can. This is where it's nice to have an air-cooled bike, because you don't have to worry about anything stabbing your radiators. You know what I mean? Nothing will stab your radiator. Cut a line. I like that. Cut new sections. So we're trying to cut some new trail here. And it's going pretty well. Full send, brother, full send. Stay on it. It was very flowy. Very flowy that time. Gonna hit it again. Like it's nothing. We're gonna come back. We're gonna come back this way once. We're gonna stay seated though. Yeah, we go this way. Almost went the wrong way there for a second. I've never came this way. It looks like that could be a cool hill. I wonder if that is spun coming off that. So tried to hop it. I didn't realize that this was so high up.
Yeah, I'm going to run it down and see if we can see the backside of the board.
Look at that. You don't want to send it over that. You would not be for having a good day. It's pretty high up. I mean, it's probably about 40, 50 feet once you get. Just wondering if there's anywhere you can ride through here. Yeah, it's crazy because that does look like that's not no tracking. It's a shame though that there's no hill here like this. This is pretty gnarly. If it was possible to come up it, it'd be a lot of fun. This tire, dude, sucks. I'm definitely not hitting the creek crossing. I'll never make it up it. It's just spinning going up that. Stuck on a root or something. There we go. This tire's pretty bad. Again, the K270, guys, it's pretty bad though on this type of terrain. Now that I'm riding it again from my D Sports on the CRF, don't get a K270 if you're riding this type of terrain. Just do not do it because it's terrible. See, if I would have tried that, the whole bike would have just completely went sideways and probably down the hill because of this tire. It'll be bad enough trying to get up this muddy clay stuff. Got up that no problem. Got up that no problem. I mean, the K270 is adequate when you're not dealing with that was second gear. It was nothing. I think this is the section. I know where we are. This is the section where the hole is in the ground. You gotta watch out for that hole, man. We're gonna try to go up the creek spot here and then back down like this. Oh, that didn't work out too well. Crack my dome piece. Make sure my goggles are still on my helmet. My goggles are on my eyes. Jeez. Hey. I got it on camera, brother. How in the hell? I hit the tree, dude. I like slid, and I was hoping I would be able to dive off the bike like I did, because I wanted to come off the bike, which I did, which was good, because that was for me. Well, it's like I don't know. Did my rear tire slide? Because I slid down there somewhere.